Hello, my dear aspirants. So, welcome to Gurudev IAS, KS and Banking Academy. This is your Ravi sir. So, today we are going to solve the question paper which is been conducted on Sunday, that is 16th of April 2023. So, first question, the 72. The question number 72. A number is multiplied by x by 6. Okay, the number, which number? Let us take it as x, and this x is multiplied by 6. Then its decimal point is moved to the left by 3 spaces. Okay, that means 3 spaces. This is, if I write this one x into 6 as 6x, both are correct. So if I write 6x, he is telling that to move 3 places to the left side. Okay, left side. This is the place number 1, place number 2, place number 3. So I can write over here 0. So these are the 3 places where this will be the decimal point. So what he is asking, this is same as what percent of the number. So this should be same by the option. So let us check the option number 1 now. Option number 1 is 3 by 100 percentage. This percentage can be written as 1 by 100. If I solve this one, there are 4 zeros. So that I can write this one as 0.0003 because there are 4 zeros in the denominator. So option number 1 is wrong. So if I go with this option number 2, option number 2 is 3 by 5 percentage. This percentage can be written as divided by 100. What is 3 by 5? 3 by 5 is nothing but 0.6. We have 2 zeros over here in the denominator. So I can write this one as 0.006. Okay, again 2 the decimals will be going over here. So if you check with this one and the whatever the solution what we got, if you match this one, the option number 2 will be the right answer. Let us check the option number 3, what it is saying. 3 by 50 into percentage is there. So let us check the percentage 1 by 100. So this is nothing but 3 by 5 is nothing but 0.6. We have 3 zeros in the denominator. If I write this one as 0.0006, this one is doesn't matching with this one. So the option number 3 is wrong. Obviously option number 4 is wrong. So the option will be 3 by 5. That is second will be the right answer. So 73rd question. N and P are two positive real numbers. Okay, fine. If N is 20% of P, if N is 20% of P, so this should be written in the fraction. Always remember, my dear aspirants, 20% is nothing but 1 by 5. This basic knowledge you should have. So what is saying? N is 20%. If you say 20%, write down 1 by 5. 1 by 5 of is nothing but in the bottom of it says into okay P. So if I write this one, cross multiply, N P goes in the denominator, okay, is equal to 1 by 5. Now N value is 1, P value is 5. What he is asking, then what must be the value of P in terms of N? P value, look at the P value is 5. Okay, P value is 5. But what is asking, N value is 1. In terms of N, if you multiply N with this one, okay, P is equal to 5 into N value is how much? 1 we got here. If you multiply 1 in place of N, okay, so you'll get the answer as 5 itself. So if you go with the equation, this equation will be the right answer. So option number A will be the right answer. 74th question. Again, look at the 74th question. What is saying? If 10% of x, okay, 10% of meaning is what? The multiplication sign. X is nothing but is equal to 25% of half of y, okay, then what must be the value of y by x? This is simple. Okay, now we have multiplication in both the side, we can cancel easily. Percentage get cancelled, so this one will be cancelled by the common number, that is 5 ja, this is 5 2 ja. Okay, next if you cross multiply the thing, this 2 go into the left hand side to the numerator, that is but 2 ja 4. Okay, the x will be as it is equal to, in the right hand side we got 5y. What he is asking? Y by x. So y will be here, x goes in the denominator, in the left hand side we have 4 in the numerator, 5 goes in the denominator. So this will be what? 4 by 5. Option number C will be the right answer. What is 75th question is saying? the price of an item is decreased by 10%, then by 20%, and finally by 30%. This is equivalent to, okay, fine. So what is telling over here? So what is a 10% fraction, my dear aspirants? It is nothing but 1 by 10. So 20% fraction is 1 by 5. 30% fraction is 3 by 10. This you should know, okay? So that the whatever the solution we are getting will be getting in a seconds, okay? So he said decrease. Whenever it say decrease, you just decrease the denominator by 1. That is nothing but 9, okay? Decrease 5 by 1, you'll get how much? 4. Decrease 10 by 3, you'll get what? 7 as the answer. So I'll take 100 as the number assumption, as a price, okay? 100 rupees as a price, okay? When you say the percentage, you can take 100, because multiplying by 100, getting the percentage of 100 is as easy as by other numbers. So 100 is first decreased by 10%, next it is decreased by 20%, next it is decreased by 30%, okay? So if you cancel this one, this is 10 10 ja 100. So this 100 get cancelled. What is 4 by 5, my dear aspirants, is nothing but 0.8. So what is 9 7 ja? 9 7 ja is nothing but 63. If you multiply 63 by 8, don't bother about the 0.8, okay? So 8 into 3 is 24, 8 6 is 48, plus 5 is 50, 5 not 4. But we have a decimal over here, just go with a decimal point over here. So if you get the decimal point over here, this will be what resulting into 50.4, okay? This is nothing but a 50.4, whatever we have to pay to the shop, okay? But 50.4 is what the final price. So decreased price out of 100, we have to pay 50.4. What is decreased price? 49.66 rupees. So it's asking decreasing the price by 49.6%. Whatever I have written the rupees is nothing but just the assumption. So option number D will be the right answer. Is it clear? So what 76th question is saying? A number is multiplied by 1/6, then divided by 1/7, and then multiplied by 7 by 10th. Result is what percent of original number? In this case, what you should do is just you go with the fractions. What is saying in the first fraction? What is the first fraction over here? 1 by 6. Next fraction, what is the fraction? 1 by 7. Okay, this is proper fraction. Again, the third fraction, what is saying? 7 by 10. Whenever he says like this, you just take the LCM of these numbers, okay? Whenever you take the LCM of these numbers, okay, as simple, okay, if you take any number, it can be assumed, okay? I'll assume as 6 7 is 42, 42 10 is 420, okay? 420, I have assumed this number to get it simplified, okay? In a simple way, I'll solve this one. Now, if I say that one, 420 is my assumption number. What is saying? A number is multiplied by 1/6, okay? A number is multiplied by 1/6. 420 is multiplied by 1/6, okay? What I am getting? 6 1 ja 6 7 ja. What the result is getting? 70. Again, then divided by 1/7. This number is divided by 1/7, okay? This number is divided by 1/7. What I am getting? If I divide this one as 1/7, okay? 70 is divided by 1/7. If I divide 70 by 1/7, this will go in the numerator. So I'll get what is the answer? For the second one, I have multiplied here. Sorry for that. The 70 number is divided by 1/7. So if this one 7 goes to the numerator, then it will become what? 7 7 ja 14, 490 as the answer. For this number, what is doing? Then multiplied by 7/10. Okay, 7 by 10 is multiplying the number. Then if I cut this one 0 0, 49 7 ja is how much? 343. Okay, final result I am getting this one. So result is what percent of original number? Okay, result is what percent of original. What is original number? What we have taken? 420. What we are getting here? 343. He is asking what is the percentage of 340. 343 is what percent of 420 is asking a simple one. 343, the result is what percent of original number? That nothing but if you want for the percentage, you should multiply it by 100, correct? So if you divide this one, this will be deleted. 0 will be deleted. Next, this one will be 7 6 ja. This one will be 749 ja, correct? Next, this one will be 2 3 ja, 2 5 ja. What is 49 5 ja? 49 5 ja is nothing but 245. In denominator we have 3, so this will be what? 245 by 3 percentage. That is option number C will be the right answer. The next question, 77th question. M is 35% of N. Okay, fine. What is 35 percentage fraction? 35% fraction is 7 by 20. Okay, next. What is 25% fraction? 25% fraction is 1 by 4. Correct? So, from this basic fundamentals, we will be solving this one within. My dear friends, I will ask you a question that what is A is to B? If I ask you a basic question, 1 is to 2 and B is to C is 3 is to 1. What is A is to B is to C? If you know this fundamental, this question will be solved within seconds. Okay, let us see. The concept is based on this fundamental. Okay, the question is based on this fundamental. Okay, so 7 by 20, what is saying here? He is saying that M is to N. M is to N. It is 35%. M is 35%. That means if this is 35%, this will be how much? 100%. Okay. Next, what he is asking? Next, L is 25% of N. L is 25% of N. Okay. L is 25% of N. Okay, fine. If you write this one ratio, now it is looking like A is to B is to C. Look at here, A is to B is to C. If I write this one as M is to N is to L, what is the answer? So that will be the same fundamental regarding A is to B is to C. If I write this one as M is to N and if I write this one N is to L, 7 is to 20, this will be 4 is to 1. Just I rearrange this whatever the data is given. Okay. If I want to determine M is to L is to N, okay, this is the fundamental. 7 is to 20, this one is 4 is to 1. Okay, 7 4 ja is 28, 24 ja is 80, 21 ja is 20. If I further simplify this one, this is 4 7 ja, this is 4 20 ja, this is 4 5 ja. That means 7 is to 20 is to 5. Okay, what he is asking? What percent of M is L? Okay, M is what percentage of L? Is nothing but 7 is what percentage of 5 is nothing but if you want the percentage, multiply by 100. Okay, now if I divide this one, 5 1 ja, 5 20 ja. So the answer will be how much? 140 percentage. Option number C will be the right answer. The 79th question. Again, this question will be solved by the fraction because whatever I am saying is the percentage over here. Correct? So, what is asking? Let us see. The question is on which basis? Okay. If the price of the petrol increases by 25%, but Raj intends to spend only an additional 50% on petrol, by how much percent should he reduce the quantity of petrol purchased? Okay, fine. I hope the question is based on the expenditure is equal to price into consumption, because whenever he says the price, okay, and the spending is nothing but what the price, whatever you are the expenditure, whatever you are spending. Okay, now look at here, what is 25% is nothing but 1 by 4, correct? So whether it is the price, so on the price, whether it is increase, so increase means just you add this one. Okay, add this one with the denominator, so that it will be what? 5. So the price was 4, now it has increased by 25%, that is 5 into, okay, now what is telling, he spends only an additional of 15% on petrol, 15% additional. Before he was, what is 15%? 15% is 3 by 20. Is it additional? So add this one. If you add the 20 to the 3, okay, it will be 23 by 20. Now, why I added this? Because additional he said, here he said increase. So both the meanings are same. Now, he spends is nothing but the expenditure. So before it was 20, now it additional is 15% additional. That is nothing but 20 was before, now it is 23. Now one thing you tell me, what should be written over here to get it 20? Can I write 5 over here to get the 20? Yes. So what should be written over here to get the 23? It is simple. 23 by 5 should be written, because if I get the 5 cancel, I'll get 23 as answer. Now look at the consumption. Before it was 5, now it has become 23 by 5. What is asking exactly? How much percent should he reduce the quantity of petrol purchased? Okay. What percent should be reduced? Now look at here. Before it was 5. What? Consumption. Now it is 23 by 5. So now it is 23 by 5 present. Before it was 5. If I minus this one, because I should have that difference, so I'll minus this one. If I minus this one, I'll get this one as 5. This one 5 5 is 25. 25 minus 23 is 2. That is 2 by 5 he has reduced. So 2 by 5 he has reduced. Okay. That is nothing but 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 if he reduced. Okay. Before it was, the original number was 5. So if I multiply this thing, and multiply by 100, I'll get how much he has reduced. Okay. So obviously whatever you are seeing is this number is less than 5. That means he has reduced. How much he has reduced? Let us see over here. So 2 by 5 divided by 5 into 100. This 5 and 5 will get multiplied. So 2 by 25 into 100. 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja. 2 into 4 is how much, my dear student? 8%. So 8% he has reduced. Okay. So the next question, 81. Paulson spends 75% of his income. His income is increased by 20% and he increased his expenditure by 10%. Find the percentage increase in his savings. Now looking at the data, it is nothing but the question is based on what? Income is equal to expenditure plus savings. Okay. Whenever he says the ratios, that is percentage, you just convert into ratios. That will be easy for you. Now what he is saying in the first sentence, 75% of the income he is spending. Okay, that is nothing but the expenditure. This is nothing but what? Expenditure. 75%. What is 75% in fraction? 3 by 4. Out of 4 income, he is spending 3. What will be the saving? 1. Okay, the simple one. Next, his income is increased by 20%. Okay, 20% of 4. 20% is nothing but 1 by 5. Okay, whether is increased? Yes, it is increased. So increased means 6 by 5. If you go with the simple one, okay, if you don't want to solve with the fraction, okay, I'll tell you another method that will be a simple one. If you don't want to go with the fraction, okay, you can solve this one as easily with the percentage also. Okay, whenever the expenditure and savings are given. Now if you say that 75% income he is spending, so 75% is his expenditure out of 100%. So savings will be how much? 25%. So next, his income is increased by 20%. Why I have taken 100 here? Because the percentage for the 100 it will be easy. Okay, so 20% increase. So 20% increase. 20% of 100 is 20. So 120. Okay. Next, he increased his expenditure by 10%. So 75%, 10% is 1 by 10. That is nothing but 7.5. If you add 7.5 to 75, the answer will be what? 82.5. Is it right? So 82.5 will be the expenditure, because 10% increase. Okay, fine. Next, if you subtract 120 and 82.5, you are getting how much? 37.5. What is this 37.5? 37.5 is nothing but the savings. Okay. What is asking? Find the percentage increase in these savings. Obviously, before it was 25, now it is 37.5. It is increased. Before it was 25 rupees, now it is 37.5. How much increase? 12.5 increase. So 12.5 increase with respect to 25. To get it percentage into 100. 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja. 12.5 into 4 is nothing but what? 50 percentage increased. Okay. So option number B will be the right answer. So what the 82 question number is saying, what percentage of numbers from 1 to 50 have 0 and 5 in the units digit? Okay, let us see the traditional method. What we are getting 0 and 5 in the unit place. Okay, the first number is starting is 1. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, we don't have 0 and 5 in the unit digit. We have 5, next 10, next 15, next 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. This all the numbers are having what? The unit place as a 0 or 5. Okay. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 numbers we have unit place as 0 and 5. Correct. So out of 50 numbers, 10 numbers are what? Unit place is having what? 0 and 5. So for the percentage, multiply by 100. This is 51 ja, 52 ja. Nothing but 10 into 2 is how much? 20% numbers are having what? 0 and 5 in their unit digit place. Okay, that is nothing but option number D will be the right answer. 83rd question. Okay, what is the 83rd question is saying? In a 2-digit number, the sum of digits is 11. Okay, let us take 2-digit number as x plus y as 11. Okay, I'm assuming that the first number and second number may be 11. This is my equation number 1. Okay, if the digits are reversed, then new number is less than 9 than the given number. Whenever he says a 2-digit number, always remember that will be 10x plus y. Why it happens? Because if I take the example as 73, 73 can be written as 70 plus 3. Okay, this is nothing but 7. Okay, this is nothing but this one I can write it as, this one I can write it as 10 into 7 plus 3. Correct. In place of 7 I can write x, in place of 3 I can write y. So this is a format of 2-digit number. Okay, so if you go with this one equation, this will be the equation 10x plus y. What is saying? If the digits are reversed, then the new number is 9 less than the given number. If digits are reversed, okay, if y comes in the x place, x comes in the y place, if it is reversed, it is 9 less than the given number. This is the given number. In this, 9 is less. If I solve this one, okay, 10y, okay, this y goes in the left hand side, it will become minus y is equal to 10x. This will go in the right hand side, this will become minus x. This minus 9 will be there itself. This will be 10y minus y is 9y is equal to 10x minus x is 9x minus 9. Okay, if I take the 9 as a common, 9 gets cancelled. Y is equal to x minus 1. That is nothing but x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, this will be my equation 2. Okay, if I solve equation 1 and 2, okay, x minus y is equal to how much? 1. Okay, this will be equation number 2. Now don't solve this one taking the x and y don't cancel y, because plus y and minus y, whatever you are saying, don't solve it. I'll tell you the simple method over here. Just add 11 plus 1 is nothing but 12. Just divide it by 2, you'll get the answer as 6. That is nothing but x value. Now 11 minus 1 is nothing but how much? 10. Okay. Divide it by 2, you'll get what as answer? 5. This will be the y value. Okay. X value is 6, y value is 5. That is nothing but 65 will be the right answer. That is option number D will be the right answer. Clear? Okay. Next one. Okay. This question is little bit tricky. Okay. Let us see what happens exactly. A man earns rupees 20 on the first day and spends rupees 15 on the next day. He again earns the 20 rupees on the third day and spends rupees 15 on the fourth day. If he continues to save like this, okay, how soon will he have rupees 16 in hand? Okay. He is saying that 20 rupees he is earning, 15 rupees he is spending. What is saving over here? This is nothing but 5 rupees for 2 days. 5 rupees for 2 days, because first day is earning, second day is spending. So he is getting only 5 rupees as his savings. Okay, savings. Okay. So he again earns 20 rupees on the third day, spending 50 rupees on the fourth day. This cycle continues. What he is asking? Look at the question. How soon will he have 60 rupees in hand? He is not saving any savings. 60 rupees in his hand. So for this, what you should do is, for 2 days, in his hand, he is having how much? Rupees 5. That is smart. Okay, fine. Now, if I multiply this one as 8, okay, this one as 8. This is 8 to the 16 days. Okay, 8 to the 16 days. This is 5 to 40 rupees. For 16 days, 40 rupees he is savings. Okay, that is very good. Okay, what he is asking? 60 rupees in his hand. Okay, if you go with the alternate days, look at here. This is first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day, eighth day. This will continue. What he is asking? 20 rupees income, 50 rupees spending. He is getting 5 rupees for 2 days. Very good. 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 5 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 5 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 5 rupees. What he is saying? 60 rupees in his hand. Okay. One thing you tell me, after 16th day, this is 15th day, this is 16th day. Okay. 15th day 20 rupees, 16th day 50 rupees he is spending. What is he getting? 5 rupees. On the 16th day, he is getting how much? 40 rupees in his hand. On the 17th day, whether he is earning is 20 rupees? Yes. If you add this one 20 rupees to this, in his hand, what will be the earning? 60 rupees. So the next day he is earning how much? 17. On the 17th day he is earning 20 rupees. So in his hand the amount is 60 rupees. So option number A will be the right answer. Is it clear? Okay. 85th question. The basic question he is asking, on the basis of triangle. Angle of a triangle are in the ratio of 1:2:3. Then the triangle is the simple question. Okay, what is asking? One thing you tell me, my dear aspirants. Okay, in a triangle, any triangle, okay, sum of internal angles will be how much? 180 degree. Correct? All the degree, whatever the angles are there in the triangle, all the sum of interior angles of a triangle is nothing but what? 180 degree. So whenever he gives the ratio says what? Whatever is multiplied to the first number, second and third number will be the same. Correct? So if I say that 1x plus 2x plus 3x, these are the angles ratio. This is equal to 180 because sum of internal angles will be 180 degree. 1x plus 2x is 3x, 3x plus 3x is 6x. 6x is equal to 180 degree. The 6, if it comes to the right hand side, it will divide 180 degree. So I'll divide directly over here. 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja. That is nothing but x is equal to 30 degree. So the first one is 1x, the second one is 2x, the third one is 3x. So if I multiply x over here, I'll get how much? 30 degree. So if I multiply x over here, I'll get how much? 60 degree. So 3 into 30 is how much? 90 degree. So angles are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. One thing you observe over here, my dear aspirants, okay, 90 degree, when the 90 degree will come, when it is a right angle triangle. So option number 3 will be the right answer, because we have 90 degree in the ratio. So option number 3, that is right angle triangle, is the right answer. So my dear aspirants, I hope you enjoyed the session for daily current affairs, test series, job notifications, magazines, and online video classes. Please subscribe Gurudev IAS, KS, and Banking Academy. Also join the Telegram channel. Follow us on Instagram channel. Join Facebook page. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.